Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin, also called BTC, in Ghana using a site called Paxful account or site. I've been using this account for like 8 to 1 year now, and I think it's really working well for me. So let's get into the video. Paxful account is a regular site that we buy and sell Bitcoin in Ghana using mobile money, banking transaction, cash, name it. As let me show up. You can pay bank, mobile money, airtime, mobile money, PayPal, Vodafone Cash, Momo, all kinds of paying strategies, all kinds of paying strategies. So this site is very legit. I mean it legit. I have money. I have some few bucks in it, as you can see. I'm going to take you through how to buy BTC with it. So first, when you set up your account, and which is normal, you go to Google, you search for Paxful account, you follow the steps there, you get to it. Then when your account opens, you'll be told to activate it with your ID card. So you take a picture of it and send it to them, and you'll be verified in less than 30 minutes to 40 minutes. After that, when you are done, then you continue from here. When we come to buy, you will see immediately it's at Bitcoin. You can buy Tenel or Ethereum. You can buy any of them, but I'm going with Bitcoin. So which payment system do you want? Do you want bank transfer, on wallet, gift card, cash, debit card, or digital currency, or goods and services? Or you choose from any one. But I'm going with Momo. I'm playing Ghana's Momo. So amount, you search for the amount you want in Ghana series. You choose the amount you want. Let's say 100 cities. Then you search for offers around. See, there's a lot of offers here. And keep it in mind that the number of likes shows the legitimacy of the person, how real the person is. Most of the people here, I'm not saying they are good, but not 100%. So I'm not saying that I'm not 100%, but the number of likes like this one, really good. Really good. So it depends. Then you choose which one you want to buy from them. And you start from, you see, going to select your buy. When the next page opens, you see you get 95 British. They will deduct their assistance fee from it. You see, the person when you hit the buy, the person will see it when it comes online. To buy. To show everything, you can chat to the person. Everything. If you want to cancel the trade, within, if you don't like the pay, you have to pay within 29 minutes. Everything trade. So this site is really legit. I mean legit. So if you want to buy BTC, you just have to come here. Or let me cancel it. Let me cancel the trade. Or if you want to sell, let's go to sell. If you want to sell, we have cash, debit, online. Then select the one we want, that is Vodafone Cash. Then amount, Ghana cedis. Then amount, we enter like 20 cedis. Then we search for offers around. Then it shows here, you choose from it. That one too, the likes depend on how the person pays. So let's see, you choose this one. You hit the sell. The amount of BTC you want to send, sell, that is 0.00007995. See, then because my amount doesn't reach his starting limit of 60 cedis, I can't sell now. So when you just get to that limit, or you have amount beyond that, after that you hit on this sell now. Okay, like buying. You see the person's information, they'll give you 30 minutes of payment plan for you and him. If he doesn't feel that need of the payment system, then they'll give you your transaction back. So that is it for this video, and hopefully you guys make great transaction and buy good Bitcoin. See you in the next video.